If you ever find you're having any issues with your arm, flashing purple light, for example, or a finger stuck in a certain position, then you can recalibrate the arm at any time by double tapping the button on the back. I'll show you that now. And it goes through the sequence. That will then flash back to white and should allow functionality. If for any reason recalibration doesn't work, it's worth taking the covers off, taking the battery out. You can just pull the wire slightly, it's just so it disconnects. Push the wire back in, turn the hand on, and it will automatically perform a recalibration.